There is a critical mass of innovation and momentum in robotics right now, with people ever more being replaced by robots. Smart, autonomous, mobile, humanoid robots capable of taking on multiple complex tasks will be everywhere within 5 to 7 years. One of the biggest fears about robots is that they will take all the jobs. Even if a robot is replacing just 2 minimum wage workers in the US, a robot's price point of around $200,000 will be ROI positive within 3 years. To put that price tag into perspective, you could already buy the spot inspection robot from Boston Dynamics for $75,000. Because manufacturing has largely moved offshore, the tipping point for robot adoption in the US will be when robots are able to perform and are accepted in service jobs. Once they can do that, we will see a dramatic adoption of robot labor. Over the last few years, global growth and the COVID pandemic have created a supply/demand imbalance and a labor shortage. If that continues or the global demand for goods and services grows even more, the addition of professional service robots will have only positive side effects. Robot labor will replace and displace human labor sooner than you know. Any redundant workers will be quickly re-employed into new jobs created by the growth. If, for some reason, demand stagnates or declines, human workers will likely be replaced by robots at a greater pace than they can find new jobs. Higher unemployment levels will result. Counterintuitively, the cure for this will be more robots. When personal service robots reach a price point equivalent to a car, the consumer market will explode. Historically, consumers have adopted other initially high-priced, but desirable labor-saving devices extremely rapidly. When they do, the increase in leisure time these devices create leads to a host of business and employment opportunities in jobs that fill that extra leisure time with entertainment, travel, games, and hobbies. Robots can work in environments and do things that we can't. They are physically stronger, less fragile, have more stamina, can work in dangerous conditions, don't need mandatory breaks or safety precautions, and won't sue their employer, strike, or demand more pay. Things that were previously impossible because of the physical, legal, or financial risk, but will now be possible. Construction, exploration, commercial fishing, farming, and transportation will all see massive productivity gains and cost reductions. Entrepreneurs will immediately identify new markets and opportunities that can be opened using robot labor that were previously impossible, or at least financially impractical before. So, yes, robots will take some jobs, but they will also create tremendous economic growth, increase leisure time, and improve living standards across the board. So I hear you ask, where do that leave your jobs and income? This is why I encourage you to start that side hustle online, or the dream business, because jobs will soon be obsolete. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, guys.